So guys, I'm not sure how many of you have ran into this problem, but I've seen this. This is the second vehicle I've seen this on. These GMCs have a lot of problem with sometimes yellowing the white paint. And for me, you can't really tell because my truck's so dirty, but it's got like the tiny little speckles of rust from brake pad iron getting up on it and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this truck off. So I'm gonna give it a good washing, and then I'm going to, I've started to wash this side of it. So I'm gonna kind of show you what I mean here. We'll go over to part like about right here, rub it off, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See all these tiny little speckles of rust? So that is the problem I'm running into. I'm gonna try this product out that I got. We're gonna see how well this works. This is called, it's an iron remover. So I bought this product, which is a iron removing spray clay. And then I also got some wax. So I'm gonna try those out. First, let's wash this thing. All right, here we go. I got this side pretty clean, and you'll see what I'm talking about. See all them speckles? Don't mind all this. This has got to come off. I'm waiting for a warmer day to pull all that crap off. See all them speckles? Come over here, you can see it's real bad right there. All those speckles. All right, so I got it all washed, and now I'm gonna try some of that spray. We're gonna see how well it works. Okay, so I've got the bottle here, iron dissolver. Let's see here, Meguiar's brand. Anyway, so we're supposed to apply it after you've cleaned it. We're gonna apply it, and it's supposed to change color. So let's see what that's like. So I sprayed this on, and I spray it on, and it's white, right? Look at this. It's turning purple. It's all starting to turn purple. Kind of with as it sits here, it's all streaking down in purple, which is good, because that means it's working. Here we go. All purple now. So I just did this side, started cleaning it off, and it's like way cleaner. Well, it was all speckled. Look at that. It's way better. It's a lot whiter too. That's awesome. I haven't cleaned it all off even, but yeah. Alright, so what we have now, what we're going to do is I got this wax. This is a Formula One car wax, and I'm just going to put this on this truck. We're going to start on the other side because it's all dry. We're just letting this air dry. So, yeah. Alright. So, I'm trying to dry this side of the bed. It's the whole side of the bed. I got this bit in the truck too. right, guys, so I finished it up as good as I could. It looks way cleaner, it's way better. I'm super stoked with how it turned out. That product definitely worked really, really well. As you can see there, looks super sweet. So I'm really happy with the way that all turned out. Turned out really, really cool. So anyways, yeah. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps you a little bit if you were trying to figure out the solution to that problem like me. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.